Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Realme UI version and updating the system if needed. This prevents unexpected menu differences. Next, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper or Wallpaper and lock screen. Do not browse theme stores yet. Once there, check whether the wallpaper is controlled by theme, wallpaper carousel, or a third-party launcher. Make a quick backup of the current wallpaper so you can restore it if needed. You need to stop automated changes, so locate Wallpaper Carousel or Auto Change and toggle it off. This halts server-driven swaps. If a theme is forcing wallpapers, tap Theme and revert to default or manual selection because themes can override settings. Also open your launcher settings, whether Realme Launcher or third-party, and disable live or dynamic wallpapers. Once done, choose a single static image to ensure the wallpaper no longer changes. To finish, reboot the device so all changes take effect. Making this a habit resolves many persistent behaviors. If wallpapers persist, review app permissions and uninstall or restrict apps that can set wallpapers or draw overlays because they may reapply images. As a last diagnostic step, reset Home app preferences or boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. If safe mode stops the wallpaper changes, uninstall recent apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.